Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve error coming across an error message when browsing Reddit that says that you broke Reddit. If you're trying to go about resolving this issue, well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I want to point out is there's really little that you can do on your end to actually resolve the issue. This usually internally has an issue with Reddit's own servers, in which case you obviously have no control over that. Something you can try would be to open up a different web browser and attempt to access Reddit, as well as refreshing the page. I noticed for most of these sort of situations, you may just want to go back on a few minutes later and see if the problem has been resolved. You can also go onto Twitter and just search for Reddit and then search by new. And then usually if there's some sort of large outage, a lot of people will be reporting it. So just want to put that out there. So in most cases, it's really not on your end. If you're still having an issue, one thing you can try, and again, if you're having issues with multiple websites, would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best result, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig, followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to get this prompt that says Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Once again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And like I said, in most cases, you just have to wait it out a few minutes and the problem typically resolves itself, at least from the user's perspective. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.